What would you pay to start every morning like this? A few quiet minutes to enjoy your coffee, walking through the jungle, listening to the trees, the sound of the wind, the birds all around you. A view that needs no filter. That has real value too, because investing isn't just about square footage anymore. It's about how you want to live and how you want life to feel for the guests staying at your property. That's Ardeh Tulum, a boutique experience designed to be enjoyed and built to generate rental income. At Top Investments, we're not here just to sell you a property. We're here to help you find the investment that's right for you. If you're looking for an investment that also improves your quality of life, let's talk.